More than 20 trucks have been torched in KwaZulu-Natal, Limpopo and Gauteng this month. After following various leads, police arrested 5 suspects last week. Khulekani Shongwe, Sibusiso Mthethwa, Fundile Mpondo, Mafika Sibande and Nkosingphile Gumede made their first appearance in the Eromero Magistrate Court on Monday. The 5 face several charges, namely attempted murder, conspiracy to commit a crime of malicious damage to property and possessing a firearm. The state argued that the suspects intentionally attempted to kill truck driver Bongoletu Daimani by throwing petrol bombs at the truck he was driving. The matter was postponed to the 27th of July.